Hi guys, my name is Giselle and I wrote this ebook called Is Password or Password? Why you need a password manager and how to get started. And today I want to share with you this quick video on how to set up two-factor authentication to give your account that extra layer of protection. So let's do this. As I mentioned on my book, once you start to use a password manager and you get the hang of it, you will start to get more interested in other features. And one of the features that I really like on 1Password is the two-factor authentication, because it gives you that extra layer of protection, but it makes it easy for you because you have everything on their app, be it on your phone or on your desktop. So you don't need to go back and forth between other apps, and this makes our lives much easier. So let's see how it works. So remember, there are different ways of doing this, but this is like my preferred method because I think it's easier. So I want you to have your phone nearby because we're going to be using our phone and our computers. And as I do it on my how-to guide that I'm going to link here, I'm going to use Facebook as an example. So here too, to set up two-factor, I'm going to use Facebook. Here you'll see that once you go to your Facebook login, 1Password is already telling you that they have two-factor authentication available. So what I want you to do is click on that banner, and they will tell you like to scan the QR code, or like they will give you some options. But what I want you to do for this method is to click on this link here where it says learn how to enable two-factor authentication. I want you to click it. Once that link opens, you can read through it just to understand more about the process. And then what I want you to do, you can go security and login settings. And then here on your security and login, you scroll down to this part here where it says two-factor authentication. Use two-factor authentication. Then you go all the way here to this corner where it says edit. Then you click. Here they're going to give you a few options, and for this example that I'm using, for this method, I want you to click on use authentication app. So you're going to click there. Since we already have the 1Password plugin on our browser that we installed on our guide, you can just because they are going to ask you to confirm your password. So you can just do that, confirm your password. And they are going to have this QR code here for you to scan and start using the two-factor authentication. So now what I need you to do is grab your iPhone. So now I need you to open your 1Password app on your phone and go to that Facebook login we are working on. And I want you to press edit here on the top corner and just scroll down until you see add one-time password. And you will see right there the QR code, just press it. And it will open for you to scan the QR code from your screen. And that's what I want you to do. And then you'll see there, it says code scanned. You press done, and if you go down, you see that it's already generated a one-time password for you. So I want you to go back on your screen on your computer on Facebook and click continue, and then you're going to type down that one-time password that the app generated for you. And just like that, here it says two-factor authentication is on, and you're done. Two-factor authentication is on now, and you're ready to go. And what that means is that from now on, every time you log into your Facebook, besides your regular password, you will inform your one-time password too. And 1Password will generate that for you. And with that, your account will be extra safe. And the best part is that you don't need to memorize any of it because 1Password will do that for you. So this is it. This is how you set up two-factor authentication for your Facebook account. Let me know if you have any questions.